Los Angeles PD say it happened sometime between midnight and 2 this morning. Officers say the vandal apparently used tarps to get it done. It's not the first time this has happened. Marijuana enthusiasts pulling the same prank on New Year's Day 1976. I think they started cleaning it up. There's nothing new under the sun apparently because it happened before. Speaking of sun, was sunny there? Not so much in our neck of the woods, Amber.
Oh no, I don't think any of us saw it all day. Maybe a few little glimpses behind the clouds, but and a few rain showers still left near Black Canyon City here in the valley. Few little areas in North Scottsdale that are still getting a few sprinkles right now, but overall things are quite a bit drier than they have been for us throughout most of the day today. The wettest New Year's Day in over a century, and the last time we saw measurable rain on New Year's Day was about 35 years ago in 1982. So Phoenix Sky Harbor came in at 0.2 of an inch. Take a look at the rest of the valley. Overall, most of these totals ranged from about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch, which is exactly what we were anticipating. For Anthem, a little bit more, 3/4 of an inch up there for today. Here's a look at what we're tracking. Clouds and radar and the Futurecast model from the University of Arizona here showing still a slight chance of a little action for the next couple of hours, and really some of the same spots that we're seeing some of those sprinkles in now. And then we continue overnight. Things look drier for us. Rain showers and even snow showers continue up in the high country tomorrow, but we look much quieter. Mostly cloudy. Then comes Tuesday and another chance for rain back in the valley. It's a slight chance in our forecast now. I think this model's probably overdoing it just a tad. Left it at 10% for your Tuesday. We'll see more chances by the end of the week as the weather pattern remains pretty unsettled all week long here for us, with a few storm systems coming into the west coast. Here's a look at tomorrow by the hour. 46 at 6 a.m., 47 at 8. By 10, we'll be in the low 50s and the upper 50s by noon, and low 60s through your afternoon forecast. 62 our high tomorrow is about 4 degrees below average, but about 5 degrees warmer than where we ended up today. Currently, we're at 52. Our dew point at 46 degrees, and winds are at 8 miles per hour here for us out of the southeast. Farther to the north and out to the east, places like Apache Junction, Cave Creek, Anthem already in the 40s. The rest of the valley in the low 50s right now, and across the state we're already at the freezing point in Show Low and in Flagstaff right now. So we are going to continue these shower chances up in some of these spots like Prescott, Flagstaff, and Sedona for tomorrow. It will be a freezing start to the day in Prescott and Flagstaff as well. 20s and 30s tomorrow morning there. Sedona down to about 37, so cold but not quite to that freezing point of 32. We're also going to be dealing with some pretty strong winds up in the high country. So if you have travel plans along I-40 tomorrow, keep that in mind. The winds are going to be rocking throughout much of the day. This is 6 o'clock in the morning here. You can see they'll be up to about 30 miles per hour in Flagstaff. We could see them that high through much of the day tomorrow. This is 7 p.m. still up to 25. Gusts could peak near 40. For the valley, our winds are going to be pretty light, and that's going to remain the case essentially across the southern half of the state for tomorrow. But take a look at our highs tomorrow across the valley. We're talking upper 50s to low 60s. It's going to feel chilly out there, but our forecast is going to warm up little by little as we head through your 7-day forecast. Let's take a look at that as we head toward the end of the week. We're talking upper 60s, and by the weekend, we're talking low 70s here in the valley.
Well, it's official, guys. The 2016 regular